welcome back to my channel. And today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to make some boxes that allow you to count down to Valentine's Day. So, and you can put little gifts inside of it, and it's coming from the Dollar Tree. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this project. You'll probably remember when I hauled these beautiful, they sparkle so much in the light, these beautiful boxes that just open up, and they're nesting boxes, and there's a big one, then another one about that size, and then there's 4 total, okay? And then you'll need some of these stickers from Dollar Tree that has the numbers on it. Any kind of stickers will do. These are just the ones I picked up. And then just various stickers. Like I bought this from Dollar Tree, and I have this little sticker kit from Dollar Tree with different Valentine stickers in it. All this is coming from the Dollar Tree. Just whatever type you want. And I don't know what all I may use, and I think these are cute too. So what I decided to do is I was going to put these in my window in my kitchen so that my husband, I can count down for Valentine's with him. Now, and he can open one starting on day 11. And I'm going to do the mailbox up until that time, and then from there on day 11, I'm going to let him switch to these. So I think it'll be really cute and festive, and then it'll look like pretty decor too. So what you need to do is just figure out which one you want to be Valentine's Day. And I've decided I want this big one to be on the 14th. So the first thing I'm going to do, this is so simple, but I think it's a cute little idea, is just open up your stickers and get your numbers out. So I want this to be 14. So I'm going to put a 1 right here. And a 4. I think that's really cute. So you'll know, oh, that's Valentine's, okay? Then we're going to do, I think I'll just work my way down. This will be 13. But you could do any colors that you wanted. And I'm not letting both numbers be the same for now, the same color. I just think it's kind of cute that way, but you could make it that way. And I got that one a little crooked. One thing about them, once they go on, they don't want to come off. So hopefully you'll do better than I did there. Okay, and then number 12, I'll have to get into another pack because I need another 1. But you could write them a note and put a note in there. You could give little pieces of candy. You could, it's really limitless what all you could do. So I'm looking forward to it, and I think he'll really like it. Okay, there's 12. Now all I have to do is put 11 on here. Okay. Here's another 1. All right, now we have that done. Now all we need to do is just start decorating these boxes. I mean, they're very festive as they are, but I wanted to add a little bit of something else to it. So, let me see. I think I'm going to put maybe one of these little smiley faces on here with the little emoji with his little hard eyes. I think he's so cute. And maybe, let's see. Then we'll go to this one. See what all I want to do first. Now this one has candy on it. I think I'll just put the candy on that and not put the rest. And maybe put this strawberry on it. And maybe that'll kind of give him a clue. Ooh, there might be something sweet in that one. But I mean, you can do whatever you want to do. It's just really cute. And then, let's see, on 12, I don't know if I want to put another heart or not. Let's look at this. I was thinking about on day 14 for Valentine's, when you open this up, I really wanted to be able to put Happy Valentine's, but I would have to cut it somewhat. So I may just put, this girl bear. I think that would be really cute on the inside so that he can see me looking at him when he opens it up. Isn't that adorable? I love it. And then you can put like whatever your main gift is. I just think that's really cute. And on day 13, I may put just XOXO right in here. Except I'm not going to put it straight. I just slanted it. I mean, you can do so much with this. I love them. Let's see. And 12. We might just put, I don't know if bear hugs will fit. I think it will. When he opens it up, that'll say bear hugs. I mean, this is just really cute. And then this little one for 11, I may just have little hearts. That other little bear would fit, but I think I'm just going to do hearts and just have them kind of going all over. And one more. So when he opens up, that's what he'll see in there. But now we need to decorate 11 and 12. Okay. So let's look and see what we want to do. I really like these little stickers. Put some lips on there. And maybe like a little letter with a heart. That'll let him know, ooh, maybe he's getting a love note that day. I think that is so sweet. And then on 12, maybe he's going to get some sort of chocolate again. And that kind of reminds me of those candies that have the heart around it. And then I'll put something else on here. I like this one. I think I'll stick it over here with the little eyes. I just think these are adorable. You can put as much on them as you want or as little on them as you want. And then I think I will put XOXO right here with this. I think that is really cute. Okay, so you can see that these are very easy to decorate. Like I said, you can put as much on or as little as you want. Sorry about the lighting. It's early and I'm getting a lot of early morning sun filtering in here. But when he opens this one up, that's what he's going to see. Okay, And then it's nicely decorated on the outside. Then when he opens on the outside of 13, that's what he has. So then he'll see that. And then 12 looks like this on the outside with bear hugs on the inside. I just think this is a cute little clever way to do this. And then 11 is this and with the hearts. So I'll put them in my kitchen window and then I'll show you what they look like there. And I'm not going to put anything in it yet because he will peek. So I'll be right back. Guys, I'm going to try to film this. Usually it's really hard to film out this window because of the light. But I think it is absolutely adorable how it looks here. It just really adds a touch of sparkle and happiness in that window. And it's not coming across nearly as pretty as it actually is. But I can't, I'm not able to get it because of all that light coming in. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.